So that's easy for the next one. We have what? 5. We already have 5. So what number should we go for? 0. If you don't have that, you need to put it. If you have it, give it a check. I will know that you are ready when you are tracking me at a 0 and your pencil is down. I'm going to give y'all 10 seconds to make sure you're ready. Nayeli is already there in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Minus Kobe, put that pencil down. We're not doing another sprint. We're done. All right, track me, track me. All right. Paper and pencil. Where do you think it's going to go? C-set. C-set. Oh, wait. Pause. We're not done yet. I'm looking to see who's going to get this done at a 0. Who's going to be back in slant so they can help me pass out materials to do our next part. Put your things away in 10 and 9, 8. Nayeli is doing this at a 0. Ooh, Anaj is already there. Anaj is going to have to be one of my helpers plus one. Anaja. Girl, you better correct me every time because I'm so used to saying Anaj. Emery is ready. Ian is ready. Y'all should be trying to earn all these points before Miss Neville prints y'all slips and put her points in. Bentley, put your paper away. Lila, paper away. I'm about to take a point. Put that up. And sit right in that chair. And 5. And 4. All the way. Push your chair up to the table. Thank you. All right, let me see. I'm going to need Anaja. I'll take Emery. Come on, Royal, because you're back here trying really hard. Come on, Ian. I feel like I picked a lot of boys. Let me pick another girl. Come on, Kennedy, because you look like you're busting at the seams to help. All right, y'all should know the rules. If you are playing with anything, what's going to happen? I'm going to take it away, and then I'm also going to take what? I'm going to take what else? The boards. What else? Markers. I'm going to take points, too. Give it nicely, Emery. Give it nicely. Oh, we should all be waiting at a 0, just like Lila, just like Bentley. +1 Kobe. Pencil -1. You get whatever color they give you, and you don't have a fit. She had one. Allison, he's giving you a marker. That's a -1. Who's that tapping? Is everybody has a marker for the extras in the... Just give yourself a marker. I don't have one. Anaj, you need to get you a marker. track me, track me. Okay, does everybody have a marker?
Yeah.
If you do not have a board, raise your hand if you do not have a board. So that's Royal, Kennedy, and
I just gave them a board.
-1. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3. I'm looking at 4. I'm looking at 5. 6 people whose boards and markers I can take right now because the board and the marker should be flat. We are not spinning the board on the table. We are not tapping the marker on anything. All right, application problem. So we do our RDW. What do we do first? Ooh. Who reads first?
You.
Me, and then who reads?
Us.
What do we do after we read?
Draw.
Draw. After we draw,
We write.
what do we do?
Right.
I'm about to take a point from you because that has nothing to do with you right now. All right. Everybody should be tracking forward. Diana. Sam brought 8 pieces of fruit.
Sam brought 8 pieces of fruit
At the farmer's market.
at the farmer's market.
He loves apples and oranges.
He loves apples and oranges.
So
So
he bought some
he bought some of each.
Draw a plate
Draw a plate
and show his fruit
and show his fruit
on the plate.
on the plate.
Don't lose any.
Don't lose any.
All right, now this time you are just going to listen and only Miss Dupart is going to read. Are you reading?
No.
What are you doing?
Listening.
You're listening. What should you be doing with your eyes right now?
Looking.
Looking at who?
You.
-1 Hansel, -1 Maylee. Boards are down. Hansel, you're about to lose your board too. You should be trying to earn your marker back. All right. How many pieces of fruit did Sam buy?
8.
He bought 8. Do we know how many apples and oranges he bought?
No.
Because they didn't tell us. So it is up to you. You can choose any combination. And guess what? There is something in this room that can help you choose what you want to do. Because Ms. Dupart took a long time to make this, and some of you were here to help me make this. There's a poster in here that has combinations of 8 on how to make 8. You're not telling me nothing, Kennedy. What is the first thing you should draw on your board?
A plate.
A plate. Everybody say good job, Kennedy. Kennedy was listening.
Kennedy.
Oh, that was cool. Say good job, Kennedy.
Good job.
really small? No, it has to be big enough so that we can see. So we can see your apples and oranges. Got me? Go ahead and draw your plate right now, and then I want you backtracking me, and I'm gonna start at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent job, Damani. Damani drew that circle, put that top on that marker, and then he was backtracking me at a 0. Excellent job. All right, now you are going to draw your apples and oranges. Remember, how many pieces of fruit should we have all together?
8.
8. Go ahead and draw your apples and oranges.
Apple.
You think you're ready for a marker now? Remember, I need to be able to tell the difference between your apples and oranges.
That's bigger.
Okay, do you have 8 altogether? Check your counters. Okay, so remember, you have to draw more than one, so you gotta make sure you have enough space.
Is that strawberry? 3.
Ian, I'm gonna take that marker. Nayeli and Denim are done. They're sitting nice and quiet at a 0. Their tops are on their markers. Their markers are flat on the table. Leilani is ready. All right, I'm gonna give y'all 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I'm at 2. One, hands on top. That means tops are on markers. Thank you, Hansel. Hansel, make sure his top was on his marker so it doesn't dry out. Markers should be flat on the table, sitting in slant in 3, sitting in slant in 2, and 1. Track in the front. All right. Now, all right. You up? And I'm in the middle of teacher. Can you have a seat? Jelani, have a seat. Anne Marie is tracking. Thank you, Damani, for fixing it. All right, I'm only taking silent hands. Who can give me the way that they drew their fruit? Denim, why you erase your board? Anaj, how many apples did you draw? Remember, some had to be oranges. So I'm going to give you some time to fix it. Colby, how many oranges did you draw? How many? So Colby had 4 oranges. How many apples did you have?
4.
He had 4 apples, so I'm going to color in my apples so we know the difference between the apples and the oranges. All right. That's one way we can do it. What do you think Colby's number sentence would be? What do you think Colby's number sentence would be? Colby, do you know what your number sentence would be? Come on, write it on the board. Everybody's marker should still be down. We should be tracking Colby. -1, Lamyron. You should not be calling ever. Let's help Colby out. He has a 4 and a 4, but what should he have? Don't go away. What should he have up here? I'm only taking silent hands. Ooh, check it, check it. Do you have both of your numbers? What comes next? -1, Carlos, because it looks like you're playing. All right. What's 4 plus 4, Colby? How many pieces of fruit did he have? Count them all together. So Hansel isn't tracking. I love that Bentley is tracking. So what's 4 plus 4?
8.
Write your 8. Put it back. Where should it go, Colby? Put it there.
Sorry.
Look, that's because of how y'all hold the pen. But we'll work on it. All right. Everybody say, great job, Colby.
Great job, Colby.
All right. What's another way we could have drawn our fruit? Just give me the number sentence. I just want the number sentence. What's another way we could have drawn our fruit, Nayeli? How many apples could we have done? We could have did 5. So if we start with 5 apples, we could have had how many oranges?
4.
I only do silent hands. I only do silent hands. If we had 5 apples, that means we would have how many oranges? 3. What does 5 plus 3 equal, y'all?
8.
8. What's another way we could have made 8? Emery?
4 plus 2 equals 8.
Ooh, we just did 4 plus 4 equals 8. So can 4 and 2 equal 8?
No.
Nope. What's another way, Lila? 2 plus 6. What does 2 plus 6 equal? 8. What's another way we could have did this? Kennedy?
We could have did it
did the 2 and the 6.
6, 2,
We could have did the 6 first. What's 6 plus 2?
8.
8. Tasia. We could have flipped this one and did 3 plus 5 equals what?
8.
8. Go ahead, Ian, give it a try. 7 plus what?
2.
Ooh.
7
Second. Show me 7 fingers, Ian. Put up 2 more. Is that 8?
No.
7. And if we put up 2 more, that's so hard to hold. Oh my God, I hate that. Because it's weird. Okay, 7. And then 2 more is what? Count. 1. That's too many. So we have 7 and 1 more. Do we have 8? Yes. So we could have did 7 plus what?
1.
We could have did 7 plus what? 1. 7 plus 1 equals what? 8. All right. Everybody should be tracking me. I'm looking at some people that have markers open. Royal, put the top on that marker. Lamar, minus 1 for the constant outburst. All right, track me. All right, you are going to erase your board. Marker should be flat so we can do the next part. You look at how beautiful Anaja is sitting here and slant. She is tracking me. So I know that she is going to follow all of my directions. But I can take a point from Mercy. Mercy is talking. I can take a point from Hansel because Hansel is swirling that board on the table. You are erasing your boards and sitting back and slant like Janaya in 10. 9. Royal is already there in 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. Erase your board, Kobe. What number did I just see? Oh, thank you. 4. 3. I'm trying to see if we can get a class point in 2. And 1. Y'all think we earned a class point?
Yeah.
Which one did you have? Ooh, but I hear some people talking, so I might not be able to give everybody their points. Girl, I just took points from him because he just keep having outbursts forever. All right. Marker should still be down. Eyes should be on who?
You.
On me. And what are your ears doing?
Listening.
Listen to my story. The students were playing with 7 balls on the playground. They accidentally kicked some of the balls into a big puddle. And now some of them are muddy. What is one way the balls might look now? I'm going to read it again. Listen. Not yet, Emery. Hand down. You're listening. Listen again. The students were playing with 7 balls on the playground. They accidentally kicked some of the balls into a big puddle. And now some are muddy. What is one way the balls might look now? How many balls were they playing with on the playground?
7.
They were playing with 7. And what happened to the balls? What happened to the balls, Emery?
That accidentally kicked some into the puddle.
They accidentally kicked some, and I like how you said the word some. When we hear the word some, does that mean they kicked all of the balls into the puddle? No. Only some of them. So that means we are thinking about the different ways that we can make what?
7.
Well, just like we have a poster for 8, we also have a poster for what?
7. Right behind 8. 7. It's not right behind 8.
We are backtracking me in 3. We are back at a 0 in 2. And 1. You are going to talk to the people at your table about the different ways that you can make a combination of 7. Go ahead and turn to the people at your table and think about the ways that you can make 7. How many balls do you think would be muddy? How many do you think will be clean? Talk to the people at your table. Okay, some ways that y'all will make 7. How many of the balls do you think will be muddy?
Where do I put it on?
Okay, so we have a 1 muddy ball. How many balls? 7 circles.
3 and 4. Let's count 7.
Another way.
Okay.
Remember when she said, turn to the
Count 1 and 6. Count 1.
pick me.
All right, what y'all got?
You're 1. This is 1, right? So
1
that's
plus
1, and this is 6. There's 7.
1 plus what?
1 plus 7
It makes 7, okay?
No,
So count
1 plus 6.
1 plus 6, can we do it? Let's do a different way.
5, 6.
Let's do a different way.
1 plus 5 equals 7.
We can do 2 plus 5. So can y'all draw a picture that shows the two muddy balls and 5 clean ones? Can y'all draw a picture of that? You can draw what I just asked you to draw. And 5 clean ones. And then you can write a number to match. Oops. Thank you for going back and checking your counting. Can you write me a number sentence, please? The 7 plus 7 equal 8. So if we have 1 plus 1 equals 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about we write together? Let's go. Or did you count a number bigger than 8? A number bigger than 8. But remember, you're trying to make 7. So whatever you put together together, we have to equal 7.
Everyone writes on one number, so it's down. And you know there's 7.
All right. Hands on top. Oop. Hands should be on top. It looks like a few people are still finishing up their picture. A picture or a number sentence.
They just talked, they didn't start writing.
Oh, some of them started writing. I thought they were writing.
You just said talk, so I didn't tell them to write. I just told them to write number 2 real quick.
Oh, they were writing. I mean, I was gonna.
Yeah, you're good.
Hands on top. All right. All right, go ahead and if you don't have, some of you